Okay, you want to see something. So, in our house, in our backyard, there's this big, huge swoop down that just fills up with water when it rains. And since my camera quality isn't that good, you can't see all those birds. But in real life, it looks so good. So, we'll just watch this. Is that cool? Oh, and just, by the way, it is 43. That's the highest it's supposed to get today. So, yeah. Great. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. And there are some birds up on my fence. Well, we don't got a fence. This is our neighbor's fence. No fence. No fence. Walkway right there. Or people come through. Duh! I don't think they're about to come back, so I just gotta do it again. So just watch my fence. Gotta figure out a way to do this. There are like so much birds on my fence. Like, see those little things? Those are not statues, those are birds. Go away, birds! Oh, they're coming back. They're coming back. Oh, they're coming back. Three. What? Okay, that wasn't good.